A for apple.
A for apple.
A for apple, red and sweet, good to smell and nice to eat.
B for ball.
B for ball.
B for ball, oh, oh, oh. B for ball, bounce up high, catch it quick before it flies.
C for cat.
C for cat.
C for cat, full, soft and small, she can jump and climb the wall.
D for dog.
D for dog.
D for dog, oh, oh, oh. D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
E for elephant big, E for elephant big and strong, with a trunk so very long.
F for fish.
F for fish.
F for fish, a fish, F for fish in water deep, swim and splash, they never sleep.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
G for grapes, grapes purple and round, in a bunch they can be found.
H for hen.
H for hen.
H for hand, H for hand on the ground, cluck cluck sound is all around.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream, cold and sweet, best for kids, a yummy treat.
J for jug.
J for jug.
J for jug, oh, oh, oh. J for jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
K for kite, ooh, K for kite, flying high, see it dancing in the sky.
L for lion.
L for lion.
L for lion, no, L for lion, strong and bold, king of jungle, brave and gold.
M for mango.
M for mango.
M for mango, man for mango, soft and sweet, summer fruit, a tasty treat.
N for nest.
N for nest.
N for nest, too, men for nest, birds live there, baby chicks with tender care.
O for orange.
O for orange.
O for orange, the O for orange, juicy and round, vitamin C inside is found.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
P for parrot, green and bright, talking words both day and night.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Q for queen, Q for queen, crown on head, sits on throne with a royal bed.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit, R for rabbit, jumps so fast, eating carrots, fun to last.
S for a spoon.
S for a spoon.
S for ship, ooh, S for ship, sailing far on the sea like shining star.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
T for tiger, strong and bright, black stripes shining in the light.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
For umbrella, you must dry when it rains from the sky.
V for van.
V for van.
V for van, though moving slow, takes us places we want to go.
W for watch.
W for what?
W for watch, tick-tock sound, shows the time all around.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree, X for Christmas tree, shining bright, stars and bells, a lovely sight.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Y for yak, fully, hairy and tall, lives on mountains, strong and small.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra, black and white and white,